Hey guys, welcome to my channel Learn with Komali. Today's question of the day series question number 12. Which country tops the global minority index? Options: Sri Lanka, India, Pakistan, Afghanistan. So before looking into the answer, let's see what is this global minority index and how it was calculated. The Center for Policy Analysis (CPA), which is headquartered in Patna, released the first international report which assigns a grade to countries based on how they treated religious minorities and the level of inclusivity they practiced. The report tallied data from 110 nations. India topped the global minority index and it is followed by South Korea, Japan, Panama, and the US. Maldives, Afghanistan, and Somalia are placed at the bottom of the list. So the answer for the question is option B, India. India topped the global minority index and it is released by or published by Policy Analysis Center for Policy Analysis CPA, which is headquartered in Patna, and total of 110 countries it has taken data from. And here is another question for you. Which state is the host of International Lusophone Festival? And here are your options. If you know the answer, comment down. And if you do not know the answer, click on the video that is shown on the screen. That's it for this video, guys. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel Learn with Komali and do not forget to check out the community post.